Okay, hi Felicities, this is Jan Victor and you're tuned into the channel with no name. Okay, today we are back doing a very quick video. I am currently in the islands of Hawaii and my sister, you'll probably be seeing pictures of her either on my Instagram or on the vlog that I'm hopefully going to do at some point. And basically, she bought her very first designer luxury. Gosh, look at her. She's all grown up with the oversized. This is a video, but bag, and I get to unbox it because we don't live close to each other, so she's letting me unbox it because she's like, I'm probably gonna use it. So really quick, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jan Victor. My gender pronouns are they, them, or the Tagalog word siya, which my necklace just arrived, so I'm excited to get it. And I talk about pretty much whatever I feel like on this channel. And so thanks again for tuning in, and to the new Felicities, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. To the faithful ones, oh my gosh, okay, y'all know that I just like fashion, and so I'm really excited to reveal this because I've been trying to get my sister to buy this. And oh my gosh, sister, she's literally right here on the bed while I do this video. Ooh, and the light, the sun. Oh my gosh, look at it, sister. She's right there. Isn't this cute? I'm gonna unbox it for her. Oh, I love unboxings. So this is the bag that she got. OMG. I'm not gonna undo the ribbon. I'm gonna just take it to the side. Okay, so this is gonna go in there. It's a very sturdy box. It's almost like comparable to my my shoebox, but that has the white portion. And so this is where it came in. I've already inspected the bag, but we want to reveal it for y'all. It comes in this beautiful dust bag, and when I was looking at, like, it's crazy because the dust bags are actually made in Italy. So that's cool, you know. I know some dust bags for designer places are like made in China, and well, things made in China aren't bad. It's more just like, shouldn't they be made in like where the designer houses are? Really quick, if you haven't watched like the Max Mara, the documentary around fur and Max Mara, you need to check it out. I'll probably link it down below or something. But this is the beautiful bag she got. It is the YSL Kate Tassel in the gold hardware croc emboss medium, and I am so sorry, this light is just reflecting right on me, but it's showing the true gorgeousness of the bag. This is actually a shoulder bag, but you can adjust the length similar to how you use my Bulgari bag. So this is one of their iconic bags. It's a classic piece, and you really can't go wrong with it. I've seen a lot of people wear it very dressy and casual, and just like the croc emboss, like you really can't go wrong with it. I will just talk about the kicker with this bag, so let me actually do it this way. So the bag, in Hawaii, in the islands of Hawaii, their prices, they try to compete with the Asian market because there's a lot of tourists from Asia. And so at YSL, this was 20% the retail price. And so, oh no, I lost it. So this is normally $2,450, and with 20% off, I believe it was like 1900. Let's see, it was 1960, and with their tax, and really quick, Hawaii sales tax compared to occupied Los Angeles and even a Hoshiman, aka where you know Costa Mesa as, their sales tax is only, I believe he said it was like 4.712. So this bag came out to $2,052.51. Yes, that's still a lot of money, but for YSL, for a new YSL, and for this classic silhouette, I think you're saving like maybe like upwards to $600. And it's just amazing. This was actually, there was a display case, and then this is the one in the back, and it is just so gorgeous and beautiful. This tassel, the detailing of the croc emboss, sorry about the shadow. On the top, I believe it should say Saint Laurent right there. I don't know if it's gonna focus, so right there, see? And it's really cool since you can wear it this way. I'm too lazy to stand up and like adjust myself. You can wear it, this is the way that my sister likes to wear it, and I also prefer this length, like off the shoulder like this. And then you can also double it up it's really cool. So there is, and then even if you can even wear it as a clutch. So I think this is such a versatile bag. So if you haven't been to Hawaii and if you haven't purchased, definitely check out the different luxury stores. This one, obviously we had to pay tax, but there's even certain stores that don't have tax. They're like duty free. So this is my sister's first ever designer bag. Like I said, Hawaii, it's way cheaper, obviously. And you'll be seeing me unbox one of the bags that I purchased, and we'll see what becomes of that bag. Yeah, so that's the quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've ever been to Hawaii and you purchased a high-end designer bag, please let me know down in the comments below what you bought. And definitely other places where you think it's great to purchase bags way below retail, whether it's their tax or duty free or whatever. Comment down below. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know what you thought in the comment below, and then I will be posting the vlog very soon, either before or after this, so I don't know. This one's probably gonna be easier since I can just upload it right away. But yeah, I'll see y'all back in the mainland. Bye, Felicities.